Hi, welcome. It's the girl Juliana Empire Official, and I'm back with the next amazing video. If it's the first time that you're coming across my channel, welcome and thank you so much for being here. I'm doing an unboxing video from Amazon Prime. Yes, guys. So go ahead, like, comment, subscribe, turn on the notification bell to be notified each and every time I upload a video. So I'm gonna go ahead, use the rat tail comb to tear the seal open so you guys can go ahead and see what's inside. I don't know what's inside as yet, but you guys will definitely see with me. So guys, sorry about this long process. Didn't have a scissors or anything to open it, so I had to use my tip of my comb to open it. And I don't know why they put these package in such a big box. Oh yes, guys, it's a body trimmer. Yes, looking neat and everything. So I'm just gonna go ahead and spin it around and show you guys. Then I'm gonna use the tip of the comb to pull the plastic off, so you guys can go ahead and see. So there it is. I'm just taking my time to remove the plastic, then try to, this part is the hardest part because I don't have any nails to open the box, so it take a little bit of time, but we get there. Finally we got there. So that's how it look in the package, well neat, well protected. So I'm just opening the plastic to remove it, and oh my god, look how neat this is. This little body hair trimmer is so neat. And these are the part that you put the trimmer into to charge. Yes, that's it is. Oh my god, this is so neat. I'm definitely loving this. So this is the charger to charge it, and I'm gonna plug it in so you guys can see. This is the part where you can change, you can put the gauge on it. So these they have like a 4, so I guess you can, if you wanted to shave really clean, you wanted to shave not so clean, yes, you can put those on it. They also send an extra blade where you can remove the one that is on it and put on that one. Yes. So this is the oil to oil the blade. I guess when you clean it off, you grease it up. So it's at charging at 82. Look at that shape, so neat. This looks really neat and smooth. It feeling really smooth, guys. This is